Today we are breaking down $3 dinner, tomato egg noodles, a filling meal that keeps the total near $2.50. The basic ingredients are noodles, eggs, tomato sauce, garlic, spices. The smart part of a budget meal is layering texture and flavor instead of buying expensive ingredients. Start with the ingredient that needs the longest cooking time, then add the quick ingredients near the end so they keep their texture. Cook the main ingredients for tomato egg noodles until they are hot and tender. Season simply, plate it nicely, and keep the portion filling without raising the cost. Here is the budget breakdown. The estimated total is $2.50, so the meal stays affordable without feeling empty. A little acidity, heat, or fresh garnish can make a simple plate taste much more complete. That is the real budget cooking trick. Use a few flexible ingredients, cook them in the right order, and build flavor as you go. Save this idea for the next low-budget grocery day, and follow for more practical meals and food facts.